India no longer has British era criminal laws. On July 1st, the centre notified 3 new laws. Yes, the names are a mouthful, and yes, they are only in Hindi. Here's a quick roundup for what this legal overhaul means for the average citizen. Let's start with the good new bits. Judges can now assign community service for 6 minor crimes, ranging from petty theft and defamation to public intoxication. Previously, community service was not formally a type of punishment in the Indian Penal Code. Complainants can now file FIRs at any police station or even online without worrying about jurisdiction. Previously, zero FIRs and EFIRs allowed some of this, but they were not formally a part of the criminal codes. Women and girls, senior citizens above 60, male minors under 15, and people with acute illnesses can now avail police assistance at their homes instead of going to the police station. There are new, tighter timelines to close cases. Police must investigate offences against women and children within 2 months. Judges must deliver their rulings 30 to 60 days after arguments conclude. Also new, in situations where the offender has absconded, trials can continue and a judgment can be pronounced in absentia. The new laws mandate forensics experts to visit the crime scene and collect evidence in case of serious crimes with at least 7 years of jail time. Plus, it is mandatory to record the process of evidence collection on video to avoid tampering. Now on to the concerns. There is a persistent feeling that the laws were not fully debated in Parliament, even though a standing committee of the Parliament went into the draft and recommended changes, and Home Minister Amit Shah recently said that discussions were held for over 15 hours in both the houses. But these discussions and the actual passing of the bills took place when 146 opposition MPs had been suspended from both houses last year. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita does not retain Section 377 from the IPC, which post-2018 criminalized non-consensual sex between adults of all genders as well as sexual offences against animals. Despite a parliamentary committee's recommendation to retain these provisions, the new law omits them, which means, as it stands, the new laws make the rape of men, transgender individuals, and animals non-offences. Now, there are some reports that suggest that the centre is working on an amendment to fix this gap. Till then, the police have been asked to invoke sections like wrongful confinement and physical hurt. There are also some provisions that sharply empower the police to the citizen's disadvantage. For example, under the BNS, the police can remand an accused for 15 days spread over 2 months. Earlier, police remand was a maximum of 15 days from date of arrest. Terrorism is now an offence in ordinary penal law in addition to existing anti-terror laws like UAPA, and lawyers expect that to cause some dangerous confusion. The centre has also repeatedly said that the new laws prioritize justice over punishment, yet offences attracting the death penalty have risen from 11 to 15. Sentences have become tougher for 33 crimes like causing death in hit-and-run cases. Fines have increased for 83 crimes. And mandatory minimum punishment has been introduced in 23 crimes. On the implementation side, there is a sense that the laws were notified before assuring that the police and judiciary were ready for it. The Bar Council of India has asked lawyers to accept the changes and not protest for now, whereas many criminal lawyers, including Supreme Court Senior Advocate Indra Jaising, foresees a significant increase in criminal litigation because of the new laws. We'll keep you posted as the police, lawyers, and courts play catch up. Please share this video among your circles, on your social feeds. It helps us reach more people and also understand what kind of stories and types of videos you want to see more of. Last but not the least, a special thank you to all our monthly subscribers who keep us going.